Florian, open the door. Nemo desce Peter.
Govor Ingleski, and I told you it's Bernie.
Then Bernie, open the door. What's going on?
Come in, come in. The haters are trying to kill me. I can't stand it. I won't stand it. It's not fair. I'm just being me.
Bernie, what are you talking about?
I came to this country to be myself. To get away from small-minded, angry, macho pricks.
Oh, like me.
Yes! Well, no. Well, you know what I mean. It was hardly the most progressive place. How does my hair look?
Fine.
I put a rinse in. Tawdry night.
Nice.
Bryce found some gray hairs. If he leaves me, I'll kill myself.
Forget about your hair, Florian.
Bernie.
I mean Bernie. What's the problem?
Someone is threatening to kill me. Every time I go out jogging and doing aerobics or playing Ultimate Disc, some guy comes up and threatens me. He's loco.
Why is he threatening you?
Because... I think just because I'm fabulous.
What?
I keep thinking I'm being followed and I don't know why. I'm a prisoner in my own home.
Okay, Bernie, let's go out and have a look.
Ooh, I'm so glad you've come back into my life.
That's cool. But listen, you and I don't know each other.
How can you say that? I thought you were different.
Because we want this guy to attack you. Come on.
Oh.
Alright, what's going on everybody? Kasam Sensei here, bringing some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions. This is the mission called Hating the Haters for Bernie. And of course, according to the cutscene, he's getting somebody that get a lot of haters. Somebody trying to threaten him.
Not really.
But fear not, Nico is gonna sort him out. Lucky him. So anyway, just drive. Excuse me. Sorry, basically just drive over to the park to basically try to lure that guy to come out.
Let's get our heart rates up, Nico. Remember to hang back. I need to charm him out.
Okay, there you go. So now follow Bernie as he jogs, but keep your distance. Obviously, you don't want the attacker to, you know, to get spotted by you, because you want him to come out so that you could deal with him. So just do a jog a little bit, keep your distance, but make sure you keep an eye on him. Just keeping an eye.
Chase my tail, babe.
Just keep on jogging.
Fucking push me, bitch.
What? Hang on.
Come on, Nico.
Almost there now. It's almost there now. I think, yeah, it gets to this little subway where it will trigger the next cutscene.
I'm about done with you, homo.
Ah! Ah! Oh!
Why don't you pick on someone who'll fight back?
What's your problem, fag lover?
Whatever you say, buddy. Unfortunately, for hitting my friend, I'm going to kick the shit out of you.
Alright, there you go. So you get scared, makes a run, follow him. Make sure you kill him. Well, basically kill him. Take down the hater. Kill him, and as soon as you follow up there, just take one of these bikes to chase him down. Unfortunately, the Faggio. Wow, appropriate name, huh? Literally. But no, you keep chasing him, and he would run back into a park, doing all these stuff, just to perform a drive-by. So that's why it's good to enter this mission with some machine gun ammo. You could buy some, or if you could find some, which is not a problem. Okay, so make sure you try to keep up with him, try not to lose track, which is very easy to lose track, because if you just hit something like on the side, the lamppost, anything, it will just throw you off because of this really rubbish bike. But never mind, just keep following. Of course, you are bound to attract police attention, like I have for using a weapon. But anyway, just have to, yeah, just get on with it. Just keep chasing it. It's not like the police will actually come to cause a disturbance anyway. So once this, well, he died now. Yeah, so anyway, he died. Look at that. But anyway, once you've taken him out, you need to go back and see Bernie. And of course, it takes a long way, so I'll skip all of this. And here we go, till you eventually get back to him. Okay, so once you picked him up,
dressed for jail.
there you go. You just have to drive into to the shop, to the Perseus in the exchange. So just take it there to complete the mission.
He's not going to attack you again.
No, he ain't. You're an absolute sweetie, Nico Bellic. I never would have thought it. Vidimo se skoro divni kovechi.
Alright, there you go. Upon completing this mission, you will get $6,000 as a reward. And as simple as that, all you have to do is just kill him. And of course, just have to be careful when driving around the park. But anyway, I'm Sam Says there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'm out. Peace.